Hi, my name is Nikki Cottam, and I am a mother of 7 young children and a self-discovery coach. Oftentimes, clients will come to me with questions like, how do I muscle test? Is it okay for me to get those answers? What am I meant to do in this world? I can't quite figure it out. I think it's something like this, but I really don't know how to get from what I think to the result. I want to invite you on a free Facebook Live challenge where for 3 days I am going to give you tools and resources you need to begin muscle testing in just minutes. And I mean it. I am going to take half hour each day of this 3-day challenge, February 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. And we are going to dive into how to muscle test, how to get those answers with confidence. Okay, then we're going to figure out together how to access that insight in our minds to level up to where our higher self is asking us to be. And finally, we're going to start tapping into all the gifts, all the abundance around us. Okay, we are all meant to do something great in this world, and we won't know what that is until we start asking ourselves these powerful questions. So we're going to be doing a lot of self-discovery work, and it's going to be so fun. The 2 most important days of your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. Well, come with me on this journey. We are going to begin unlocking those powerful resources for you in your life. Be there. It's going to be 2 p.m. Mountain Time, which is 3 p.m. Central Time, 4 p.m. Eastern Time. And for a half hour, each of those days, February 22nd, 23rd, and 24th, I am going to be giving you some of this amazing wisdom that I've gleaned over my years of practice working with people with the emotion code and body code, working with people through different modalities of discovering who they are and really getting in touch with who you are, because that will make the world of difference for you. So hop on over to that Facebook group and I will be excited to see you there. Take care.